In this guide, you'll learn how to fix FIFA Heroes network error. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. You can switch between Wi-Fi or cellular data. Enable airplane mode for about 30 seconds and disable it. This will refresh your network. Next thing you want to do is give a fresh restart to your device. Likewise, force close the FIFA Heroes app and relaunch it. If the error continues, check for app update. Navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app FIFA Heroes. Now if you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, clear cache. For that, launch settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage, find the app FIFA Heroes and launch it. Click on offload app and confirm it, then click on reinstall app. Next up, check the server status of FIFA Heroes. For that, launch your preferred browser, type in FIFA Heroes server status and search for it. Navigate to any of the website. If you found out any outages, wait until the problem will be resolved. Also, you can log out and log in back to your account. And lastly, completely delete the app from your device and reinstall it. By following these steps, your problem will be resolved. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.